Hey guys, welcome back. We are doing Unit 2, Lesson 5 for phonics. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you. All right, Unit 2, Lesson 5. Our learning targets today, I can read magic E words. I can read tricky words. I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story. Where is Wong? Large card chaining today with the magic E. We're going to practice chaining as a group with our big cards. Notice, I have the cards behind us. We're going to use the letters M, N, T, C, F, P, L, A, and E, known as the magic E. So the E changes the sound of a word. Remember, it pinches the A and it says its name. When it's time to add the magic E to the word, we all say alakazam. So let's practice. So we have the word can. Alakazam. Even though they're not side-by-side letters, the A and the E are working together. We have a new word, cane. Great job. So let's magically change the vowel sound in a word. So let's get started. So I'm going to stop sharing there. All right, friends. So let's look up here at our words that we're going to magically change. So let's start with the word man. Man. So man is spelled M-A-N. So if we're going to change it, alakazam, we add that magic E. That E makes that A say its name. And now we have Maine. Maine. Good job. Let's make the word pan. Pan. So P-A-N, pan. Say the magic word, alakazam. That magic E appears. And now we have the word pane. Pane, like a window pane. So let's make the word cow. I'm going to leave that P down there since we're using it again. Add an L, we have pow. Our magic word, alakazam. That magic E appears, and now we have pale. Pale. Because remember that E pinches that A, and that A says its name. Good. Let's make the word at. At. So we're starting with the A. We're adding the T. We're going to say our magic word, alakazam. Add that magic E, and now we have the word ate. Ate, like you ate something. Let's make our next word, cap, C-A-P, cap. Let's say our magic word, alakazam. The magic E appears, and now we have the new word of cape. Cape. Great. Now let's make the word tap. Notice I left the A and the P there. I'm going to add the T to the front. So it's T-A-P. We have tap. Let's say our magic word, alakazam. The E magically appears. And now we have the new word of tape. Tape. Great job. Let's do our next word. Let's do the word fat. alakazam. The magic E appears, and we have the new word of fate. Fate. And let's do one more. The word is nap. N-A-P, nap. So now we're going to say our magic word, alakazam. The magic E appears, and now we have the new word of nape. Nape, like the nape of your neck, the back of your neck. Great job, guys. So let me go back to sharing. Okay. So our tricky words. Look at all these tricky words that we know. We know because, tomorrow, were, could, have, their, word, your, yesterday, to, today, are, should, and how. All year long, we're going to be learning new tricky words. Tricky words are words that do not play by the rules. And today, we're going to learn 2 tricky words. The first word is they. They are my friends. They. Let's try blending that word, they. Remember the pinching, the, a. How many blends? 3, the, a. Good job. Now, the TH is pronounced the, like it should be, but the E and the Y are the tricky parts of that word. You would have probably expect these letters to be pronounced as E and Y, but they are pronounced A and E. So when you read they, remember to pronounce the letters E and Y as the long A. And when you write they, remember to spell the long A sound with E and Y. Our next tricky word, their. Their parents are at home. Let's try blending that word there. The, How many? 4. Good. There. Now, the TH is pronounced the correct way, as you would expect, but the E and the I are the tricky parts of the word. You would probably expect these letters to be pronounced I, but they are pronounced eh. The R is also pronounced as an R, so it's like you would expect. So remember when you're reading there to pronounce the letters E and I as eh. And when writing there, remember to spell the eh sound with the letters E and I. So our reading time today is where is Wong? Where is Wong? So let's turn to the table of contents and find the story that comes after Wong from Hong Kong. What is the title of the next story? Excuse me, guys. All right, guys, let's get back to our story. So let me share. All right, so I want us to look at well, it won't let me go down here. Let's stop sharing. Escape. Hold on, my friends. All right, so Wong from Hong Kong is page 14. Our story today takes place on what page? 18, because we are reading Where is Wong? So let's get back to our story here. Okay. So this story is called Where is Wong? We will read a story about Josh, Jen, Gran, and Wong. So let's preview some spellings that you're going to see. You're going to have the K sound. Remember, the K sound is used by the C as in cat, the K as in kid, and CK as in black. Then we've got the long A sound as in vase, safe, crate, and snake. Then we have E, the double E that has the one E sound as in sea, steep, peak, and sweet. Our tricky words you're going to see are there, where, and here. So let's preview some vocabulary. You have the word den, which is like a room in the house where people relax, like a living room. Then you have the word peaks. Peaks is to take a quick look. And then you've got the word vase, which is a container used to hold flowers. So let's listen carefully to find out if Josh, Jen, and Gran find Wong. So let me go to our story. Where is Wong? Help! Gran yells. What is it? Says Jen. Wong is not in his crate. Says Gran. Where is he? Look at Gran. She looks frightened and scared. Jen checks the pots and pans. He is not in here, she yells. Check in the den. There's Jen checking the pots and pans. Josh checks the den. He is not in here, he yells. I bet he went back to Hong Kong. And he's checking under things. Just then, Wong peeks up from a big vase. There he is, says Josh. Gran runs to Wong and picks him up. She pets the snake. She is glad to see him. And there's Wong in the vase with Josh. So let's go back to our lesson. So why did Gran ask for help? She lost Wong, didn't she? Who did Gran ask for help? She asked Jen and Josh to help her find Wong. Where did they look for Wong? Well, they were looking in the pots and pans in the kitchen. They looked in the den. But he came up out of a what? A vase den. Ooh. Josh says he thinks Wong went back to Hong Kong. Why or why not? Why would Josh say that Wong went back to Hong Kong? Maybe because he missed it? Possibly. Where did they find him? In a vase. All right, so let's look at our worksheet 5.1. Where is Wong? So where is Wong? Number 1, which spot did Josh and Jen check? So remember where they checked and make sure you write that for number 1. Let's look at number 2. Wong was in the pots, in a vase, in the crate. Make sure you mark one answer there. Oh, look at that picture there of Josh and Wong. So on this page, notice there's a bunch of lines. So what you're going to do is you're going to retell the part of the story that is shown in the picture here. All right. So you're going to retell that story again about that picture. Okay. And we are going to skip that 5.2. So our learning targets, I can read the magic E words, I can read tricky words, and I can ask and answer questions about key details in the story. Where is Wong? All right, guys, we are done with our lesson today. So hope you had a good one, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.